All right, I know I'm going to make a lot of people mad with this video, but buying a Mac Pro for 99.9999999% of everybody is stupid. Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tactics, so honest it hurts. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back again. Yes, let's talk about this. Everybody wanted to know, oh, Jason, what do you think? What do you think about the MacBook, the Mac Pro? It's coming out today. Are you gonna order one? No. Oh my God. Now, I have been an Apple fan for a long time. I have been an Apple apologist for some of that time. I have been angry at Apple for some of that time as well. I went to my Twitter feed and I saw people like posting their carts and they're spending $18,000 and they're spending $6,000. Some people already have theirs and they're unboxing them and it's all that kind of thing. Now, here's the deal. Here's the thing. If you are going to make money off of the Mac Pro, like let's say you're going to make a video, mkbhd, and it's going to get 3 million views, and that 3 million views is going to offset the cost of like a lot of what it would cost, the 8K raw, yeah. But here's what makes me upset about the Mac Pro, and here's what makes me upset about people who are buying it, and here's what makes me upset about people who are going to justify buying it. It's simply this. Mac has always had a Pro model. Mac has always been sort of out there for the professionals to use, right? Yes. Now they have the MacBook Pro. The computers are getting more and more powerful. The MacBook Pro 16 is everything that everybody wants in a laptop. Yes, it's all good. It's all good. It's all fine. It's all great. It's all good, fine, great, whatever. But the new Mac Pro, we talked about this when it was first announced. I mean, it's the Pro display is $5,000. The stand is $6,000. And I know that there are people who work in film and this makes total sense for them because they've got, I know it's not the point. It's not the point. If you're a major corporation that makes millions and millions of dollars off of film, then great. Apple has made a product for you that you can take and you can put in your work bays and you can do all your stuff. But what really irks me is the average Joe, the average everyday, person, and amongst which most YouTubers fall into, even most big YouTubers fall into this category of, just average everyday Joe. Again, some of you are going to get these things and you are going to make a lot of money off the videos that you make by getting these things. And so fine, great. But some of you are buying them because you want to, and I guess that's okay. I guess that's fine. But here's the thing that bothers me. YouTubers are called social media influencers for a reason. And one of those reasons is like they go out there, they buy things, they do stuff, and people see it and they're like, oh my God, I want that too. I just was feeling it. That's what made me so mad. I was feeling the FOMO of like no Mac Pro for Jason. And I was like, oh my God. But now I'm in that moment where I'm like, No, because you used to be able to go out and get a Mac Pro, and maybe you'd spend $5,000. Maybe you'd spend $5,000, and that would be an awesome computer, and it would last you for a long, long time. Ask mkbhd. He used a trash can Mac Pro for a long time, and I don't know what it cost him, but it probably didn't cost him anywhere near the $52,000 and $52,599 that it would cost to get a maxed out Mac Pro today. That's like a 5,000 times 10, a 10 times increase in cost for something that is gonna. I don't know. Everybody's gonna be like, "Oh, Jason, just a bit." Yeah, Jason doesn't know what he's talking about. If you can tell me that it makes sense to spend $52,000 on an Apple product, okay. If you, go buy the Cybertruck. I'd buy the Cybertruck in a hot minute. I don't see any way a Mac Pro with the XDR display is going to improve your YouTube video to the tune of however much money it costs you. So if you're somebody out there thinking like, oh, I got to get myself that Mac Pro, it's going to make me so much more awesome or whatever. I don't know. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Tell me down in the comments. What are you thinking about the Mac Pro? Because I think that Apple has not made me mad a lot in the past year or so. And I have not freaked out about Apple products, but I just seeing Twitter, seeing my YouTube feed, seeing all of these videos, seeing all of these people with their Mac Pros. I mean, maybe I'm jealous. No, I'm not jealous because I do fine. And everybody else would do fine with anything less than a Mac Pro. I guess it's like souped up cars. I guess it's like this is the Ferrari of Macintoshes, right? Is that what it is? Is that why it's attractive? Is that why people want to own this thing? Yeah, 99.9999999% of everybody does not need to own this Mac Pro. They don't even need to know it exists. I don't even know why Apple puts it on their website because it should be in a totally separate section, business section of Apple or something like that. But no, they made it sexy. They made it good. The wheels cost $400. $400. And you can't, you have to buy all 4 wheels. You can't buy 2 wheels. You get $400. $400. And I know I sound like an old man shaking his fist at the sky, but that's what I am right now. That's what I am right now. I encourage anyone to tell me why it is they feel like having a Mac Pro is going to improve their workflow, improve their lives to the tune of the amount of money you are going to have to pay. And again, I will exclude the people who I know are making videos that are going to make the money that are going to offset the cost of this thing. But for anybody else who's not going to get 4 million views on their YouTube video about the Mac Pro, how are you justifying it? Let me know down in the comments. I'm really, really interested to see what you come up with. Anyway, thanks so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. If this was your first time here, then you caught me at a good moment. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back again. I hope you'll do so. There's a like, subscribe buttons down there. There's a join button if you want to become a channel member. There's all kinds of good stuff here on the Painfully Honest Tech channel. I got new merchandise. I got all kinds of stuff. I got to sell you guys stuff. I got to sell you as much stuff as possible so I can stop feeling inadequate and get my own Mac Pro. Until the next time, I'm out.